Back to the channel, y'all. In this video, my lighting is gonna be a little off because I got my table moved around because simple fact is scrub my kitchen floor and stuff, so I got to put my stuff back in place. Got everything out of whack because I scrubbing the kitchen floor and stuff. So anyway, we're gonna do a little short review here of the Gotta Be Sweet by Amy B popcorn here. This is salted caramel popcorn. Picked up from Rose's department store for $1.50. Alright, let's go ahead and crack it open and see what it tastes like. Remember, my lighting look a little retarded because of where it is, because I got everything moved around. Okay, that's what the popcorn look like right here. You can tell it has a lot of salt on it. Look at there. Salted caramel. Sea salted caramel. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Real good. That sea salt is good. Yes, sir. It's real good. Tastes a lot of the salt. Very salty. It's real good. Only have 10 grams of sugar, which is not too bad. Let y'all see the popcorn again. It's good. On a scale 1 through 5 for the sea salted caramel popcorn by Amy B. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's good, man. If it's a salt, sea salt like, get us a try. It's good, y'all. You won't regret it. Only $1.50. So, yeah, y'all know I hold no long videos. I try to bring y'all content, but not hold you too long. So, hit that subscribe button. Pick this up from your local Rose's department store. I'm a big fan of popcorn. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.